Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change my bank account on a Fidelity app. First thing I want you to do is just log into the Fidelity app, come here, click on accounts and trade, come here and click on transfers, and then under manage, click on link a bank, and then they'll ask you how you want to transfer your money. Go ahead and choose the option applicable to you. Who owns this bank, choose that as well, and whether or not this is a business bank account, and how you want to actually add your bank information. So you can go ahead and log into your bank account with Finicity, or you can enter your bank account information on your own, choose the applicable option, and then click on continue. And then what type of transfer type you'd like to enable for this account. So it can be either EFT or bank wire. Okay. And which account you'd like to link, you can choose your Fidelity account right here, as well as the individual account. Select the bank account you'd like to link, so you can link a new bank right there. It'll ask you who owns this bank account. If you're the owner, choose that and then hit continue. And then just enter your bank information, your routing number, account number. You enter that again and then hit here on agree and continue. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.